Hi, good morning everyone. This is my Erica Spico, and today I'm gonna share to you a folklore story titled The Legend of the Mayon Volcano. So let's get it started. Legend of the Mayon Volcano. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Magayon. Her father was the ruler of the land called Bicol. Daragang Magayon was so beautiful and kind that many men wanted to marry her. But Daragang Magayon has a secret. He was deeply in love with a boy named Hadyong. However, Hadyong is a warrior from a tribe thus enemy to Daragang Magayon's family. So, Daragang Magayon and Hadyong had to meet in hiding. Until one night, brother Hadyong's caught their meeting. When both families heard about it, this started a war between the two tribes. Hadyong fought in a battle too and got killed. When Daragang Magayon found about the news about it, it broke her heart. She cried every day until she got sick too. She soon died also. With much sadness, Daragang Magayon's family and the townspeople buried the maiden. But after a few hundred of years, it became a very beautiful volcano. Now called the Mayon. So that's for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you.